Me say me day up on the gully side. If you wanna know where fi find me, say me day up on the gully side. What's up, speak my mind family who run, come here, run, come here, run, come here, run, come here. Me can't believe say them here people here know 99 business and I dash it out so. Lord, me dear child. 99 how them know your business. Jones still a fly over 99. Man still on your bed. Our people there at America are listening into your daughters them. It look like them where you call her sitting there with them with that you have one name, tap your people them your daughter them place. It look like them tap your daughter them house and here overheard conversation. People. Them are people you know people business more than them, bruh. And it's so funny, you know, that them come out here on social media, as me say, every day, which is a worldwide platform, and come embarrass themselves and make themselves look shame. Because when you come out here and you put fake and false information out there in the atmosphere, and in days, weeks, or months, it has been proven that nothing no go so. So as me say, people, all them do is just embarrass themselves. Embarrass themselves. Because them come out here, come make it look as if, oh, them know 99 business. Oh, this is this, that is that. And they know not one thing. Suppose you hear out dirty same sort, A.K.A. T-Dog, come out here and chat some things like she have strong evidence of it. If you're a easy believing Thomas, you believe every jot word where she say. Which you don't know them have people who are going to run with it and believe it. Because they have a lot of people who they brainwash, who's watching them. The little handful who are watch them brainwash them, you know. So anything them come out here and say, all when them a look upon it and I say, no, it can't go so, it's not possible if it go so. They are so brainwashed by them that them intend to believe that what them a say is real. And what them a see within them own understanding, them see say it not right, them overthrow that and believe what them a say. People, I hear another video. I don't even want to play it. As I'm telling you in a previous video, I'm going to make this man address it for me. Because, trust me, them are another set. Them reach a point on a stage now where them not talk nothing with sense. Them never did talk nothing with sense before and it even get worse. It even get worse. Them picking at every little thing now. Some simple little things. It's not about corruption no more. It's not about charity no more. It's about my personal life. It's about what I do on a daily basis outside of charity. You understand? Nasty Larry the Lizard. Me no know which kind of man, because I have not seen the video. It seems as if some video circulating where some man must come out and talk about the same brunch. And I talk about the food and I talk about what good I know that the food is so, and one bag of thing she make a mockery out of it while making a mockery of herself. And her speaker come and go. Me never play it, people. I have it and me never want to play it. You understand? But I go and make dirty Jamaica address her just before I get into this main video with same sort dog, A.K.A. T-Dog. You understand? So, wanna do? It is so easy. So just do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up underneath the video. And please to watch the ads and continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. You know, I see some outpouring of support since yesterday. I don't know if you are people who were on this channel that I beg every day to go over on that channel. More than likely that's how it go. It's not just by, because Donna did not say Life is a Mission TV. So no run come over. Donna did say speak my mind. Right? Somebody has said, boy, probably I told Donna did talk about me on her live yesterday, so she meet me up at Price Mart. No. I more feel like it's some of the people who is over here who never subscribe over there end up subscribe over there. And some of the new people who also come over here end up over there. It's no because she never declared that life is a mission. She said she meets Speak My Mind. So basically Speak My Mind and Life is a Mission is two different channels. So it's not like I get a promotion there from Life is a Mission. So it's just people over here all long when me a beg for go subscribe over there with stubborn. Probably finally go over there. Right? So me a beg just go and continue like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel, which is Life is a Mission TV. That same channel I beg every day if you subscribe. Cause me I tell you in short order, that channel is going to be a channel where just like I want to sit down and wait for me yourself to drop one little video, I see me gonna wait for me at some time and someone might end up miss out. I mean, I'm tell you already, how you not gonna end up miss out. I'm gonna tell you again and remind you, so you better go subscribe now. Go subscribe now. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Pin, give her a subscription. And the Cash App is also there. $ Charms and Trends. I am using that Cash App temporarily, as I tell you because there's some difficulty with the technical difficulty with the Life is a Mission Cash App, sorting it out. And this is why I ask you people to go over and support Charms and Trends, because trust me, they are so ready to go and assist in whatever way they can. So just go on Instagram, charm_trends_. charm_trends on Instagram. And if you don't have Instagram, just go straight to the website, charmandtrends.shop. Alright? The charm spelled CHARMED, as you know, ANDTRENDS. Bless upon yourself and just stay tuned for the video. Alright? So just before, please remember, man, one of our great good supporters from day one. As you see, today I am drinking beetroot and mash. Yes, man. Stay blessed, natural juice, straight out of St. Thomas. Homemade style. Yeah, man. No long water. Anyway, people, let's go. Dirty Jamaica. I make him talk for me. I don't want to talk to Lauren right now. Talk to Lauren right now.
They are just a browse through the internet still. We come across a video still where me hear Dirty Lauren over there chat about she want educate people. Listen what she say now. Educate. What is educate?
She want to eradicate. She will eradicate herself because them are insect.
You can't educate nobody. Go educate yourself.
Them need to eradicate.
Go educate yourself.
All insect them.
Go educate yourself, but you want educate
them
people.
worse than when dog flea get you in a house.
You want educate people. You can't educate nobody because you have to go educate yourself first. What is educate?
They are worse than when you have, some people are some mongrel dog and the dog then love come right to your doorway, come lie down and scratch and scratch off them flea. Yes, man. Or some place in the yard, like come there, so if my dog them have flea, them like I love all there, so come sit down and scratch so you're there, so flea just a bite you, you can't see them, Because them fine, them come like, them fine and sand grain. Dog flea, fine and sand grain. Them just pitch by you and bite you go so and look in and say no. Me I tell you.
Me your friend, your partner in crime over there talk about how Auntie Donna can spell stomach.
Wanna stay tuned for the best part of the video coming up after this.
Come and ban. When you ban somebody and you put ban.
Just tell yourself say I mean to address them. I never really have the precious time for them. So I allow him to address them.
I know so where them go. You know, so she don't like you. You know, so she and Michelle don't like you one bit because Michelle never.
And that is so true, Because Michelle come out here and she try to, make play like she's bright, yeah. And she try to correct people on so many things. So many mispronunciation. So many spelling. When she know the person who she call for her boss, or for call her for write title and send her it for she copy. to title the video them when she a title them. You understand? There is so many times who she supposed to call her boss, put up title, and when you read the title don't make no sense, be a wrong spelling. But we never hear her or tell her, say, come on Lorraine, you need to do better, man. Right? We never, but you come out here and correct other people who you're not associated with. And the person who you are associated with, you don't try to lead them on the right path. So them can make you look good while you come out here, you know, a beat down somebody else or make a mispronunciation or so. Enough time I make mispronunciation because when me in my element and in my flow and I go, sometimes I drag all the word. Probably me call all the right word sometimes. Pronounce the word properly, but because of how me drag it, only not hear it. And then again, the next thing, I always said this. Sometimes people pronounce word based on how them spell the word. So, I'm going to say water. It's not water, it's water. Sell me a bottle of water there. It's not water, it's water. But it's how him pronounce it. So if him spell it, he might spell water. He not gonna spell water. But at the same time, whosoever, you understand and know what he want. So most time, our pronunciation and spelling, it cause the problem. How we pronounce the word is so we spell it. You understand? But she not correct you, but she want to correct people out here.
Common space, you can't even pronounce a word when you want educate. What is educate? Go educate yourself.
My first meal from man, and it's now 3:20 in the evening. But the good thing, it's a healthy meal. This is mash and beetroot mixed together. Liquid food this.
Ellis Kongio, and if you send blessed of the flow Kongio, anybody will do charity. You understand me? And you say no charity, you say no. And you feel by the way you say do charity. Then if you send them to you. But no, you hear some mass here. Charity is not registered. Yeah? And you come. And you
she hide from that. She don't have nothing to do with that. And she a charity police. She hide from that and she said she a charity police. And this is where I come back to when I say in the video when we do on the backup channel, the Price Mart video with Donna, when I say the double standard. You understand? Because if he's a charity police, you're supposed to out here a charity every form of charity. But you choose not. You pick and choose which one you want to jump on. That's what you do, you know. So for sure your own stay.
So you can't hear my focus in your yard.
Double standard, man.
You can't talk about people. But you're so wicked, girl. You lie. So no, because you can't go for Marcy, I know, because you're afraid. You're afraid.
One reason or the other, I don't know why she's afraid. Because she's so big, bad and mighty.
And the people if you come out here can't talk about life insurance. Pick the beam out of your eye first, man. Pick the beam out of your eye first and educate yourself. Educate. One would educate people. Let me hear what you over here chat say. Because I didn't listen, you know. I don't know what me really...
Him put voice change upon the voice so you're not going to hear our voice clear.
You understand me? But you want to educate somebody. You can't educate nobody.
I don't think I'm going to play the whole video still, you know. Because this video is about 10 minutes. I play 5 minutes so tight. Because I'm so eager to get into the next video. I want to bring the Tory come to you. You know Donna business, sir. Why?
Who's so bittered? Who's so bittered? When you want to educate? Come and go back here, you educate again. Come and go back here, you educate.
He must speak to me because I don't have the appetite for them today.
Right? And then we'll play stand forward still. Those are the two start of our show, right? Oh, you want so anytime I come with the show.
As I tell you, voice change and put on Lorraine and our speaker voice.
So then get you comfortable and prepare you to if you should have money to get them back and no. When you lost your green card,
See a blessed natural juice, straight out of St. Thomas. They didn't have a number in my head to tell you. It's a real planker.
All of us on your own teacher tonight, eh?
Okay, the way this coming coming coming, them don't know what you do with your documents. If you bring the lawsuit through, so protect your documents then, please. Especially like government documents, your passport, your green card, your ID, your birth certificate, your kids' them birth certificate.
Yes, wagon.
You know, your
I mean,
life
ask you know,
insurance,
when you start watch this video, don't skip the video just because you don't want to reach on the other part of the video. Just watch out the video. And this is why I always say to you, I don't want any fans. I want supporters. So you support whatever I do. Not saying it's going to always, you know, be where I say I do something or say something, it's always going to stand with me. But you support me in a sense where you disagree, but you still stand firm with me. You understand? And you might go in the comment and you might say, boy, I never like that. You understand? Especially if I can identify that you are a long-term supporter, a long-time supporter. I won't feel offended once you do it respectfully. But I don't want no fans, I want supporters. So don't skip the video to reach the second part of the video, which is the more important part of the video. Alright? Because when you skip the video, it's not good for the channel. Or I should say not beneficial to the channel.
This is the way you want your last treatment to work with you. If you choose to stay in your home, you can make a will with it. Don't talk about me, not know so, me not make no will. Me not care so, me not make no will.
The time you take a lift on the woman, where you come out, come educate people about this, as you say, eh? The time you take a talk to the woman, a talk about the woman, why you not come out, come do this, I kind of live here?
Lord
why you
God.
tell people, say them fi come do this and them fi come do that way you can do it?
Anyway, people, I feel like I want to stop right here. So there's more to say, you know, but I'm so in so much eager to get into the next video. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next video. So we are gonna listen feces mouth now, you know. So we're gonna listen up. Cause she start off uno planka. Wanna listen. Cause me said them I know Donna business more than how she know it. And I repeating them. And feed them one out they want fire. You understand? Cause it's a spoil. And no fridge can't see for them business. So wanna listen keenly.
You see, wanna plank off. You see, because I don't like when the come out and chat, me I go chat a little more. Because you guys are the real bully on social media, you know. Nobody can say nothing about no God, you know. And you know, come out here for them, you know. Boy, sometimes, you know, say, make it worse for you, you know. Make it worse for you.
Being defensive make you a bully? Me don't know, me just ask. I want to know if I'm being defensive of myself, where serpent like Uno is concerned, does that make me a bully? Uno, talk to me now, people. You being defensive of yourself from serpent like this, is it make you a bully? I don't think so. You are saying this is a thing. Oh, you now stop come out your fear. Yes, man. You're denying that you are A.K.A. teeth dog. So, as me tell you, the more you come out here, and the more me I go come out on teeth dog. Because my belief is, and many of us believe is, you is teeth dog. So if you not teeth dog, the same thing what you say, the more the plank of them come out, and the more Uno come out on Donna. Well, the more Uno come out, you come out, and the more we are come out on Tina. So continue.
Because I wasn't going to do another video tonight, but guess who is doing another one? I am.
Because you don't have nothing to do. You're careless.
Comments on the threads. Anyone say anything about the TV
Yeah.
girl at Jamaica, we call ourselves Donna.
You want to kill this one, you know, so you don't have nothing else to do.
Anybody say anything about
You have a right. You're not scared nobody and you feel like behind this voice changer and not showing your face on camera, you know, it's okay. So that's why you come out here and you behave like, oh, you can't say anything, talk anything, and do anything because nobody don't know you, nobody can find you. But sad to say, if you are not who we think, you only make it bad for who we think. You only making it bad for who we think. And if so be the case, if you did bad as how you attack, why you're doing something, you double tap on something, you hide in your face, nobody's know who is you, nobody can identify you, and at the same time, nobody seeing your face, nobody can identify you. I don't think there is no app to remove a dark screen. Like how if you put an emoji over our face, them say you have one app that can remove the emoji and you see who they behind the emoji. So why would you behind a blank screen? Nobody can see you. And at the same time, I asked this question already. And at the same time, you still put on a voice change upon your voice. Why? Is it that you're also hiding from people who are close and around you, who are probably in this circle of social media, who you don't want to identify that, okay, you is the one who is making the trouble on social media under this name? And you don't trust them because them say anything more than once somebody know it's not a secret, because he might know and go tell him because he might just blow out and you don't want to be exposed like that. Me just make up the part there because that's the only way I would consider what you are do meaningful. Because you can't be behind a blank screen and you're bad like how you attack and still hide your voice. What the sense it make? Eh? And then come out here go and like say, oh, you're not afraid of nobody? Here how she worry about people's life and how Donna live. And how Uno has Donna living. Listen. Stale news. Stale news.
Even if some of the people them on this side not have them house, if you notice them living at them nice apartment. Okay? When I'm living at them nice apartment.
Someone not live nowhere. Someone don't live nowhere. Someone don't live at places where only in no house and all kind of insect and bug fly in. And because you don't have no proper ventilation, you don't have to left window open. And all the big bug and sitting them and fly in. And you don't have the window open upon your life. Oh gosh, oh wow. Oh damn. Go away. Oh. And you can't get up and lock your window. All I come in, I open my window and door for purpose. Door only open when me have to go through it. Window, that not open for purpose. Very rare. Because that's what I not like. Me not like when time mosquito and no farmer insect are flying in my place. So I make sure I open the way. If them escape when I pull it for a second or so and fly in or so, and me not stop hunting them till me get rid of them. And if you see someone, you, A.K.A. T-Dog, Depan live and your window open and all kind of insect are flying and you depan, oh move, damn, there is so much insect, you know, they're just flying around and you can't get up and lock your window. So someone who want to really live not comfortable and he still not come out for the little plank of them, we might more comfortable than Uno we are sending them little $30 and $20. And because them never waste out them days. And because them never come out here for brag and boast for nobody and put them at where them can't reach it. Them did plan for them retirement, plan for them old age, plan for all of those things. have them nice little house, whether it's a 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, because why build a 10-bedroom or a 5-bedroom when it's just you and your husband, or probably you build one extra room for your grand pitney if you have any, or a pitney if circumstances, you know, and you have to run to them assistant as the elder. Why buy a 5 or a 10-bedroom when you don't need it? And even that, you know, come out here, come go and you want to criticize if somebody living in a 1-bedroom. You understand? But you know, continue, man.
Matter of fact, houses. Houses with a S at the end. And nice with a S at the end. Not singular, plural.
You have houses with S?
So look it up
Who
if
you
you
to?
don't know what that means. So, I know we done not talking a uno done not talk. A uno. The uno with paperless. You know what I mean? Paperless. Kind of so big and tough and take care of yourself and now wear the plastic wig. While Donna they wear the human ear. And a man now look for uno. So no can't get a chance to get somebody to put a
And the plastic ear, the people them are wear a ear problem, you know. And the human ear, that now where you can't afford to claim to say your own houses in America.
But hear this. Guess what is Donna plan?
Listen now. Listen now. Yes, so it start. Yes, so Donna business start.
Donna is a show-off person. I'm sure you know that by now. Donna is not staying in there in that box with them girls there. Them girls that in there, I think the heaviest one maybe we about close to 400 pounds. That's the biggest one and she shaped just...
You see where discrimination come in? Remember now, this insect no know Donna pitney them. I don't think she even ever get a glimpse of Donna pitney them on a picture, say, for 4 or 5 years or 3 years ago. At a certain size, where now she might have visualized them getting even bigger, that them second down in America. You know, say America is a place that intend to make even the markers a person get. You understand? And for she to come out here, this mongrel to come out here, and I go say one of the woman daughter supposed to weigh about 400 pounds. Only just tell me now if them a creature ya, them a carcass ya, not just come out here just for social media hype. Say she just use words to say how big she is, why she say 400 pounds. But remember now, you never ever even get a glimpse of the woman kids. You never ever get a glimpse of the woman kids. So how you gonna come out here and say this like you have an idea of how the woman kids look and how big they are? Tell them about you know. Social media is making you come out here and make yourself look like a jackass.
Just like Donna. So
There.
just picture it down her head.
Come lie down back.
She shaped just like Donna. She close to about 400 pounds. In that little apartment there. That not gonna work with Donna. Remember, you know,
Remember now, you know, she shaped just like Donna. So basically she had judge her half a Donna size. Many of us out here, we have seen Donna show. Even recently I see Donna show some of her IG pictures. And when me hear some of them, we look idiot one day where without makeup and clothes and some little plastic wig, she no look good. Marcia, come out here, come talk about dressing and coordination and stuff. As me say, me give her the props say color code. But your color code is more crowded. Look on the dressing that Donna give you back in the days when she in that type of dressing there. How different the matching is concerned. But I know there's some of there. In them days, look on the size of Donna people. Donna wasn't not big somebody like Bigger Ford. You understand? Donna never not big somebody, you know. Like Brutus in a Papa, you know. Donna was this slim, nice woman. Dark chocolate. My type of color woman them there, you know. Yeah, man. Put 50 brownie in front of me and one black woman. Smooth chocolate color are the one black woman me want. Me and I type of rundown brownie. Now I'm not against them, but me and I type of rundown brownie. Because when I think brownie, the whole heap of problem, because too much man I see them color too high, them come like stadium but them bright. I mean I like brightness. Me is an undercover person. I like my thing secretive. But when me I say, look pan the size of Donna them time then. And them time Donna is much younger, having her kids them. So it's not like these kids come out of a big breed family. Look pan Lulu. Lulu is a big somebody? No. No phone might not know father does. Father does is not a big somebody neither, but him come from big bone, because him kind of chopped in. You know, so him come from kind of big bone. But it's not no, you know, them fat, big bone people different from fat people, you know. And you come from a breed, your parents, background, mother or so. Yeah. It's totally different from big bone people. So how you are going to make this talk say the woman daughter suppose? What make you say this? Knowing that you never ever see a look at the woman daughter yet. And say you judge her for the woman's size. This woman wasn't somebody who was like born this way. After getting real comfortable in her life, she started to put on these weight. So what you say? You just come out here to try to discriminate the woman daughter. That's what you're doing now. And feel like, oh, it's nice, or we're not going to hear it, or we're not going to take it as nothing. But they have to break down everything.
I know them kids that mess up Donna money, you know.
Yeah, them man come through to the work to them and want to pick up.
Also sending money here and leaving money here. Those kids mess up Donna money.
So what, yeah, your problem? That's your problem? Not for you picking them.
The conditioner she come up here in her. As much as she says she moved them in a one different apartment. And by the way, Planka, you don't remember when Donna say I pity them by house of Florida in a WHITE neighborhood because them no one live.
No, what I said this can't come with evidence all now. You have asked to come with the recording of she saying this. Because you love misinterpreting her and fix things sooner or later.
Neighborhood because they don't want to live around certain kind of people. Y'all don't remember that? So how come the people them live in an apartment now? How comes? Let me tell you what is Donna plan now, right? She hunting down money. Donna two daughters have no papers in America. Donna two daughters have no papers in America. Donna have to wait about a good 5 years to get her citizenship. Then she can file for them and that's gonna take another couple of years. If the brother file for them, that's gonna even take longer. It doesn't matter if he's in the military or not. That's the sisters he's gonna take.
When I
And
saw
if
the
they
house
can't
break
show
down
how
too.
they enter the country, most of like they're gonna ask them to go back to their country and file. That's what's gonna happen. Or if they file somebody to marry. The condition right now, how them girl let themselves go because Donna say it herself that they only get big and get bigger since they come up here. You know, I'm not saying cause love out here for everybody.
So, let me ask you a question. Me not hear it. You hear it. But Donna said them get big. Get big. All you know is inside the woman talking. And I doubt it's inside the woman is talking. Because even when she at Jamaica, she always talk, boy, shall they get big? Shall they this, shall they... It's not by size. It's by age. Because remember now, them left here as a child, as a teenager. So when you come out here like the woman, the company or platform come say, boy, them get huge and humongous. That's not what the woman meant. If she even did come out here come say anything similar to that. Because me say, when me not hear for myself and hear uno attack and me a dissect uno, you know. Me just listen to uno, because me know the type of people uno is and persons uno are. That uno just listen to the woman, interpret it how uno want interpret it for mislead uno followers and come out here to have content to sound and be relevant, because uno know when they come out here uno crap. If I know 1, 2, 3 are the whole we are going to take uno on. But somebody must hear no video and take uno on. Uno can't pass everybody ears. Uno know that. So because of that, uno come out here and uno misinterpret anything where the woman say interpret it for no way. and itch it and bitch it for suit phone yourself.
So I'm not saying that it's gonna hard for them find somebody, but we know how these men think nowadays. If you don't have the dolly body and the this and the that, they're not even far for you, much
Just
less.
like how you have it and then now. So how you have it and then now fart pan you. Come to you, girl, be realistic. You claim to say you have dolly body and a man now fart pan you. You have your ball. Lord, how the man the call to me. Lord, no man never see me and say give me your number. It not look good. And now when you have the boobs them out. Cause me say, you know, me not stop beat you for tea, girl, you know. A school you there and teacher go and flag you. You understand? You're there at school and teacher go and flag you. Remember.
Your whole thing like your green card. They gotta really be in love with you. So right now, Donna hunt money for pay for man for marry them. That's what Donna do. They pay for money. They hunt for money for pay man for marry them two girls, eh? To get them papers. Two. The second thing we want to talk about now. Donna want buy her house. But Donna cannot buy her house. Because in order for Donna to buy
People
her house,
we have to just sit and listen and laugh.
coming in, a flow of income coming in.
We just have to sit when we hear them talk, listen them, because me don't want to no play no fool, you know. And talk, me don't want to hear them. All them or something, yeah. You want to listen them. Cause you know, you want to educate yourself, despite we might know how much humans like them is concerned, the type of behavior we them have. We still have to listen to them, so we make sure we're aware. Keep yourself up to date. Don't get complacent. Don't sit down and relax and say, oh, no more of these type of people is in the world anymore. There's changes. So me I play them here for to keep on the brain refresh. Remember, you know, all of them the police officer that we see out there, you know. Remember them go through training. Firearm training, tactical training, physical training, all kind of training. Them have to go up on the range, yes. And you remember this. When them are police at 10, 15 years, there is certain times when them have to go back on the range. I mean, I tell you about force order. Not if them want to go. Force order by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the JCF. Them have time when them have to go back on the range to get them accuracy right. I remember them have been through it for years. So it just come back to what me I say. Me I keep on a refresh, despite you might know that these are type of people out there in the world. Sometimes you might get complacent and you know, you might see little improvement and you get comfortable, as me say, and feel like it's all well. And 2, 3, somebody around there, so one time gone you the pan. And I look behind you. But you get so comfortable. So you get complacent. So you leave yourself vulnerable to them. So them just get the opportunity to do what them want. So I am here to sneak up through the gate and come and say, hey, wake up, man. Me not like when I see you go around there, so. Yes, I make you start prep again and look around you. Refresh your brain and make you know, say, don't get too comfortable. Yes, man. People like these out there, serpents.
Monthly, weekly, whatever, that's gonna pay for that house. You remember back in the 90s when Bush was president and everybody lost their house and the housing
One
crisis
thing me know,
and
hey,
everything like that, and so
Donna
many people
go,
lost
you're
their
a
house
real
because
boss.
they was giving mortgages to people that
All the haters them interested
really
in
couldn't
you.
afford it and they end up losing the house.
Yeah, man, all the haters them
When
interested
Obama
in you
came in,
bad.
Obama
Them invest
changed
a
that.
lot of time.
So you have to show proof of
Just listen how much
everything.
things she a break down in this
Everything.
one
So
video,
even
you know.
if Donna right now,
Just listen how much things she a break down in this one video. House, papers, donors, money, Donna life overall. A whole heap of investment at time that, you know. Whole heap of investment at time. That she can go back in her history and tell you, oh, remember when Bush did do this? And tell you that house and how much people house get taken because them couldn't get for paid. And it's when Obama come in and him change the system. You know, so how much people keep in them house now. All them there, you know, a whole heap of invested time them there, you know. If you go back in her history, they say, you know. just to prove a point where one woman is concerned. To show you how important this one woman is to them. We are pretend as if this woman is nobody. But she's so important to them.
A 500,000 still in the bank and can't show that. She has to show where she get that money from. That cake business
Donna,
with
maths
how
class.
much she sell, one
Maths
or two
class.
cake here
Listen,
and
maths
there.
class.
That is not enough money. That is not enough money.
The calculator
to buy
working.
any house. So she can't show that the money because guarantee is not going to be enough. And then she has to show receipt and she has to show what tax and all kind of stuff to show that money claiming legally. Donna can't do that. So now she come and she has the little thing where she have the little thing in New York and whatever income she gets.
Father God, help. Father God, help.
Now she doing the other little thing in Florida. Yeah, after she finished that could be shown because eventually she had to file tax on that. So those things can be shown, but that's not enough money where she had to give to her son to put down on
What's
a
her
house.
title to know?
Now, let me back
The
up a
one
little
room
bit. Her son is
plankers.
in the military. He can get a home where he has no payment down. Remember, he's a
One
vet.
room better than none at
They have
all.
the vet
Your friend
mortgages,
Marcia
so
have
where he
none,
can get
but one
very
room
low
plankers.
interest rate and basically
Oh,
zero
no, one room
payment
we can
down,
sleep in
zero
at a
down,
time.
right? However,
So it's a good start. I know Marcia can start.
to what I'm
But
hearing,
talk to she.
there
You
is
worry
some
about
issues
one
with
room
him right now.
plankers.
There is some issues with him, but I am not even gonna go there. But either way, what
All that the part there. She gonna say there is some issue where Ladian is concerned. I don't know if it's with the army because as you hear she said she's not going to go there. Which probably there is nothing there. But just to make our audience live in suspense, we're probably 2-3 days from now, them run up in our comment and ask her, so want me not tell you what go on with 99 son? Because the last video what you do, you know, you tell her say there is some issue going on with him, but you're not even going there. Tell her, you know, so she can have another video to be relevant. Because she realized the vouchers that she have out there that support her, sitting and waiting for all these make-up stories, fake story. You understand? So she come out, oh, there is some issues going on with him, you know, but I'm not going to even get into that. You know, I'm not to forget in a man. And two, you know, you have to be careful what you say about. You understand? You have to be careful of what you say about him because of him being an army man. But you just want to make it look like, oh, you have something to say about him. You don't have nothing. We know, you know. I know yesterday when I start this or today, you know. A 5 year ago, 6 years. So all of who out here, as me say, I think this whole scenario over here so start 2019, I think. And I joined it like 3-4 months, 5-6 months, somewhere there after it started. I'm not going to come out here and tell any lie that I'm here from inception. The first video or the first cake that were given to Donna for donate we start the whole thing. No. I discovered Donna in Corona. And when I checked the time, that was like probably about a few months after the whole thing started, 2019. You understand? I think it was like March or April. March, April. After the 2019 start, I joined in 2020. So, everything from within that space, and at the same time, I have done my research. Because when I just discover Donna through Rapper Crapper, watching Rapper Crapper, and I show the Mary Puss video, and I say, that's how I gravitate to Donna. And me go search YouTube. Every Jackman we have a video with her. Me just type in her name, as you know, when you type in T-Girl, all kind of things come up. And me watch every video that's possible that was there. So that even give me back, you know, a sense of knowing of what go on before me join. So when you hear me come out here talking, me know what go on, you know. And me jump like some of them because, oh, Donna name the on top, so I can just call Donna name and build my channel. Oh, Donna name, yeah, I can just come chat foolishness about her. All of me don't know where I go on. Yes, because from me say Donna, I write up on my title, say Donna, then everybody I go run call me, I get all the views. No. I know. Me not say things might not pass me. Even now that you don't know Corona done and over with, during Corona nothing not pass me. But after Corona done, you don't know we have to get back with life together and stuff and get business up and running again after down for over 2 years and stuff, you know, and a struggle. Which my business, one of my business never done was the best time for me, as I'm telling you already. Which enough of it, you know, Corona suit enough of us. Own business, yes, you know. So in a Corona, I never really miss nothing because I have enough time for my hand. But probably now I miss a couple live and things. I might have to go back go watch it, Ray, or somebody might send me it, or me might go hear somebody a talk something, and then now me go on the platform now we go hear what Donna say because me no want to come out to offer with them and say I don't know where I'm going. So me go listen back. You understand? So me know everything from grassroots. And like someone we might just come on and know, me they have to make you know certain things when you know if you know it.
And from money, Donna giving that guy young man, she has to prove where she get the money from. That's one. Two,
Bear, what happened to you?
the income that he have is not enough to show that he could
You don't eat no lunch yet, and I know you eat
pay
already.
for
All
the
me drink
mortgage
or the
monthly.
juice. You did want
And
some?
boy, the reason why I'm saying that, he
You
could
don't
get
want
a
to
small
look?
little house in Florida, you know. Them have a nice little 3-bedroom houses, and even 2-bedroom houses, nice small one that the mortgage will be all $600 a month. We're most likely
Mathematician.
could afford that. But Donna not gonna make him do that. Trust
Real
me,
mathematician
Donna
this, you know.
gonna want big old mansion where she gonna do
Sit down
life
and
in
count
Japan.
people money,
So
and you're
in
so
that
busy and
case,
book.
he probably will not get the mortgage because even if they give him the vet under the vet housing thing,
You're so busy and book and look how you invest so much time. Mathematician you're turning up people life. Calculate them money and where they can earn. From where they can earn.
He still have to come out his pocket with some money and he has to prove that he could pay the mortgage. Now if he put on his mother on the house now and said, well, my mother will be helping me pay the mortgage, then I have to show a flow of income. YouTube is not a flow of income. Because this is how they're gonna remember Obama changed up everything, and that was the best thing he ever did. Because a lot of people are not losing their house right now because they're only giving mortgages to qualified member. Remember, the way they look at YouTube is at any time, say YouTube decides to strike your page or somebody strike your page, that income is gone. That cannot be considered income. Yeah, you gotta file tax and stuff on it, but it's not a flowing income. It cannot be part of a flowing income coming in monthly.
Whoa! So basically you're saying that I can't go tell people say she have a job because she working on YouTube because she's a vlogger and she earning XYZ a month. Because what you do, you know, you use this now because you know, well, okay, basically it's obvious Donna is earning, you know, a reasonable sum from YouTube and it's honest money. So you find a scenario now if you come and show the people and say, oh, because you say she not no money, she have to prove which part of her money come from. YouTube can be proven, say, yes, so she earned X amount over that period of time. Yeah. So YouTube money can prove because it's legitimate money that. And YouTube is all about America. But what she do, she use a scenario now to make you know say YouTube can't work. Because YouTube, hey, she realized that say YouTube money is there and it is legal. But then I can't use it say but here I know. She are trying to say that's not a job. Because basically the reason why it's not a job, there is reason where the government or whosoever go look and say, oh, them can strike your page because look how simple she go, you know. They can strike your page and you can lose your page and you're not getting a monthly income. How stupid of you? How stupid of you? Make me just say this before me get to the next part of me want to say. What if means a YouTuber for 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years collecting a hefty sum at the end of the month? and I have my money in my account can prove say I have my money. Based on the system America, how you can acquire a house or whatsoever. Me no know it work out. Based on me here on the talk, it not just work out like how Jamaica work out. You can't take up your money and just roops. Proving at this and proving at that. But you can't prove say our money in our book, YouTube. Put cake and all of that aside. If she forget strike her or she lose her channel, that not supposed to stop her from get a house. Because the money that she have in her account is more than sufficient to pay for that house all when she don't get 2 years worth of pay working with nobody. So I don't know if there is also stipulation on that Uno American have to tell me. But me could get to the part where I want match up with what she has say so. Yes, you get strike from YouTube and whatsoever. You're not getting a monthly salary. So them don't take YouTube as a job. Oh. But me I work with Mr. Chang and Mr. Wang company. And Mr. Wang fire me. And me not have no pay for get and me can't get back a job over 2 years. Is there a difference? Me ask a question. Is there a difference? Me I work with Mr. Wang in an entity, a company whatsoever. Yes, it can be proven that I getting a salary weekly, fortnightly or monthly. So yes, and my account shows me have collaterals can deal with taking out a mortgage, yes. So them quick forgive me. So what about if Mr. Wang, Mr. Jang or Mr. Chang fire me? Eh? Now the same fire me get fire like if YouTube strike my page or me lose my page. When me not have no salary for get a month time, weekly or fortnightly. So what the difference? No difference are there. But just because you realize say she have a hefty funds, some that she get from YouTube, that over that period of time that she have been collecting YouTube money, it can be proven that she have legitimate cash. Because based on what you say, the cake not illegitimate and that not illegitimate. YouTube money legitimate through the US system. YouTube is a US based place. So, what you do, you make sure try to cut the part the outside that money they can use. Because you want to bring your point across, say, she don't have no collateral to get no house. The son can't do this, the son can't do that. Uno, you think uno nice? Me say if we are either out here on a fool the whole social media side over here, so. Yeah man, if we are either to no fool the whole area, but uno can't fool yourself. And only look a combo of them only have and crouches, only have a run for uno. Like when you draw out all things out of one little old storeroom. And roach a fall like how Martha draw out her things and my roach run her down and she claim to say a dopey.
Donna don't have a job. Donna's only job right now is YouTuber scamming. She can't put scamming as one of the income coming in. You understand me? I said so she really don't have a job.
And the cake's not selling like that.
Rich, she can't even go nowhere there.
Listen, the cake's not selling like that to prove anything.
So the only person can really get
My
the
belly
money
bottom, I
is
want some food, you know. Thank God for stay blessed juice. Kind of hold me up. Want a hot cup of coffee, you know, to relax my head. Oh, the heart of pain, you know. Hey, hey, them sit down and wait to see the day, you know. Hey, me I tell you, right now, you don't have headache already because you don't have headache now. You don't know say it's coming. No doubt, you don't know it's coming. So you don't have a headache already. But guess what me know? The headache now gonna be the last thing for you. You don't have diarrhea. You don't have wirea. You don't have body come down. You don't have body go up. Body a left, you know. Skin a chop off of flesh. All kind of things you don't have when it do happen. And on the headache you don't have, so you prepare for all of them sitting there.
Even though it's zero payment, I could give you
I mean, man, not long from now. Not long from now. Remember how 6 months to 1 year me give her. Anytime after this cake season or the Easter season, look out for it. Remember me speak my mind to tell you.
Does make that much of the cake, all of it been spent out in liquor house at Jamaica. And she does
Remember, you know, when you see the Miss Birdie Magdalena go on, you know, turn back on your word. Stick to your word.
Because people keep saying she's a scammer. She said it herself. So Donna can't go nowhere upon no mortgage because she don't have nowhere and how to prove all of that money that she claims she have, where she got it from. And she cannot say YouTube because YouTube is not considered income.
It's an outcome, not an income. Outcome.
Consider monthly income when coming here supposed to help towards a mortgage or payment. So that's why Donna there Jamaica right now probably they hunt for money. And I guarantee you, what I think is gonna happen, Donna gonna trick one of them people there to go up and co-sign with her son. So now when them the people they go up and co-signing with her son, Donna go find a way to funnel in money to where it end up them probably have their little money.
Hey, alright, yes, sir. Make me prove every day more and more. Say this girl is a T-girl or she are associated with T-girl. T-girl must write a script gear. And she come out here come talk. You hear her? Just listen. Donna go find somebody to co-sign with her son. And then Donna go find a way to take fair money for this, that. Remember, she are the one that come out here come tell you about some GoFundMe and she a Jamaican, you know. When she want to prove a point that Donna can take money from GoFundMe, you know. Just to try to expose Donna can do that. She exposed herself in doing so. You understand? And then she say, oh, me a Jamaican now. Oh no, Jamaican stay. Oh no, Jamaican stay. Hey. Jamaican, hey. So that's something what she do. So now that she has say what she has say, yes, so Jamaica, Donna go look somebody for co-sign and then find a way to pump back the money through for prove say. Criminal them know everything. And because them have this criminal mind about them can't believe say people out there real. Where we angle thousands and millions of dollars without taking it. So them just feel like say everybody out here are criminal like them because of the criminal mind with them have.
In the bank, so them have $100,000 in the bank and them can prove it, you know, because whoever it is, them probably have them job and stuff like that. She go find a way for me to move the money and show it, say, and then she secretly
criminal intent them have, you know. That's why them feel like everybody are the same.
Donna mission right now is to come back to America to get her house, help get her
Hey, if me was any government in any country or law enforcement in any country have authorities and power can do certain things, or she just do she has say right here, so me investigate her. Or me start watch her if me have to watch her. Well, you know the US government them watch you, because them want when them go and clamp you, them have you. You have to good, you have to well oil and grease up a slide out of them hand. So all like a she, me would investigate her because the criminal intent what she have, the mindset what she have, what she has show we are so, me would have to investigate her because basically this is a road where she good at trod. Or knowing no people will trod that road there. Yeah man.
Get her house so she can show off on who know the plankers.
Who know the plankers? Or who know got belly you can all kind of here.
Live in a little furnished room them where they share the bathroom them with stranger. They share kitchen with stranger. They go and they live in a double HITE people house for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then come home for 2 and 3 days in the furnished room. Who know that not show off on me there. I know me. I know the people them over here. So right now that a mission is to come to go help out her paperless pitney them. And she disrespectful, you know. That's why I'm saying it like that, because she love call people big back and silver back. I mean, don't know if she ever looking at the mirror and fear back yet. Help out her paperless kids them.
Our back broad fear Carol on upon it.
And she want to come up and live in a big house and palav.
Our back really broad fear Carol on upon it, like Scorpion. No guess and spell about it. I don't know worries that. I don't know worries that. I don't know it's going to happen in short order. That make it even at on the head even more. Because it's going to happen in short order. Where someone in the America feel 30, 40, 10, years. And have achieved nothing at all. Someone who have bounce round. Someone who have float round. Someone who have catch round. Someone who have stoop low for a night rest. And this is why I'm so worried about the woman in her house. One, she couldn't come to America. But now it's all about house. Donna tell her she love America. You know so comfortable she is since she died Jamaica. Eh? Remember, Donna don't leave Jamaica go America look nothing like how you leave here. A struggle and look something, When she had left here, she'd already have something. And something sustainable where she can live off of. It's not like somebody who left here look a better, go search a better life for America. It wasn't Donna case that. Some don't know how now make a big things like say the woman left Jamaica suffer. Someone now say she will come look work and she will come look work and this and look work for what? When she can hire someone who will chat. Whether local or foreign. Me tell you, you prepare for this all kind of belly ache, heartache and everything running. Hey, wait. It's coming. I don't know where I go. It's a come.
And bring up the money and stuff like that to continue her lifestyle because Donna don't plan to work a day in her life. Trust and believe Donna is not a worker. Donna will not come to America and go work anywhere.
For what reason? When I can hire you?
She used to easy money from the plank of them and that's what she do for the rest of her life. You will never see Donna come up and go put her nursing uniform so she go do nursing work.
So you did expect that?
Donna said she go work in a supermarket.
So you did expect that? How can you call somebody lazy? Big and lazy. Somebody that do a season baking. And that season baking is almost 2.5 months going 3 months. At a high pace. Many nights without proper rest. Just a little squeeze the eye. To rest the eyelid. So it can open up back and stand up for even another hour or two. How can you call somebody like that lazy? This is the same person who wanna come out here come say I fear bleach night on top of night. She love money. She can't rest. She just go on like say yes. Yeah. And the same woman, this one say big and lazy, time here you come out here come cuss the woman for the time she there. And me see you live here about foot swell up because you have to stand up all long and bake. So if you never love money, why you stand up and bake? But a lie you tell where you bake just because you always say the woman say her foot swell up and she want Millie come give her a foot shall and a hand shall and this and that and massage her foot and way. You understand? And the same woman this year say lazy, Who you too?
That's all Donna want to do. That's I'm come Mago. Put on him clothes and Mago with him beautiful shape and show off the plank of them. Because the only plank of them she has show off on make everybody else still laugh. Anyway, guys, no tell me nothing. Oh my God, this video is 13 minutes already. No something.
Anyway, speak with my people. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. These invested time that them people have in the woman life, better them use it to a better advantage where can benefit them. You know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. So easy. And remember, life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. And please remember the cash app, $ Charms and Trends. And remember, go support Charms and Trends. Anything you want to buy, we're grateful. Not how cheap it is. If you have a bag of money. And anything you see over there, you can get it customized to your liking. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.